Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mat where you can place your commonly used items that you carry every day. It's good to have everything in one place, especially if you're heading off to work and you're rushing around and you don't have to look for your wallet or your phone. You have everything on this mat. This mat can be laminated and that'll make it more durable. I'm going to make it out of an 8.5 by 10 sheet of paper here on our channel, Easy Digital Art. So let's begin. I have Word open. I'm going to select the size, which I already did, 8.5 by 11. Orientation, I'm going to change to landscape. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to use office shapes because this is what this channel is about, is to use office shapes. So now I'm going to just look at my other sheet that I already did, which is the thumbnail. And you could have a spot here for your wallet, your phone, your pens, your keys, your coffee mug or travel mug, your USB keys, your garage door opener, if you carry that around, spare set of keys, keep that as well. And let's see, pretty much anything else that you need to carry around. Those are the most common ones. That's what I carry around, what I just mentioned. And so let's begin. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. Doesn't matter. You can enlarge it after. Just make it 90%. What I do is first make the background. So I go insert shapes, choose a square. We make our square or rectangle, sorry. Okay, then shape effects. I will say I'm going to choose a bevel. You don't have to in this particular one, but I'm going to choose a bevel. And then for the shape fill, I'm going to go to gradient and I'm going to select a gradient just to give it some nice texture or texture. So next step, I'm going to do the different parts, and you can put the shapes any way you want. It doesn't have to be how I described it. So the first one will be here, and that one, just going to make it a lighter blue. Just choose this one for now. I'm going to give it a bevel. Let's just see here. You can use this one or this one. I'll choose a wider one. Okay, perfect. And then either you can copy this and then just change the colors if you want. I'm going to actually insert a few other shapes, one with rounded corners, and it's going to be like that. I'm going to make it yellow. Shape effects, bevel, same thing in this case. So you get the idea. You can also name it. You can insert shapes, text. So if you have your wallet, you just put your wallet, all caps, small caps, whatever works for you. Make this larger, 32. I'm going to use Arial font, which is here. Then I'm going to take this shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. And I want this actually to be, for the font, a different color. So I'm just going to look for the font color here. Okay, and then you can have that like that. Make it smaller. Put it here. I like to change it to this, and then I'm going to have for the coffee cup shape, and I think I'm going to make it because it's coffee, maybe a darker yellow. Shape effects now, same thing. You could do that, or you could do a inverted or rounded. So I can go like this, choose this one, or choose this one. Let's take that one. I'm gonna put it in the corner here. And I could just, if I want to, just copy this text. It's easier that way than instead of setting everything up. Just say coffee. That's where you put your travel mug. Have it like that, or you can have it on the side or at the top. Then for smaller items, I'm going to just take this thing, copy, and I'm going to put it like this. And if you have items that kind of overflow, you could put them on the edge here, like keys or something like that. If you have a USB, for example, you could put that here. And let me just put the bevel back on there, like that. You have your USB key on here. And so everything will be organized nicely on here. And you can laminate this. You print it in color, this sheet, and then you laminate it. And then you just leave it, on a end table somewhere, wherever you keep all your, or kitchen counter, you keep all your stuff on here. So you put the night before you go to work, you put everything on here. So you have it handy and just put it all in your pocket. When you come home, you put it back on the mat so you know you've got everything and ready to go. That way you're not looking for items that you normally would need. So you won't forget your wallet, which can be a hassle if you do, especially if you carry passwords in there or something else, or of course your cash or license, any kind of license or any kind of stuff you need like that. So I'm going to do one more here. Copy. You get the idea. There's not much to do here really. You can give it a gradient as well, like we did before. So like you go shape fill, gradient. You could go like that or like this, whatever, just to make it give it some design. So then that'll be your writing instruments, your pens, for example. Then you can, any kind of colors you want. You can keep it to 2 colors, or you can keep it to many colors, whatever works. You can have the whole thing, this background black and this all white, or vice versa if you don't have a color printer. And that's about it. You could do a similar mat for other things. Let's say you do gardening, and so you have a different set of keys you need, and you have you have a bigger pad here because you always keep your plant clippers, and you're always misplacing them, so you keep them on here. You can have twine that you keep. You can have your radio as well if you have a portable radio that you listen to outside, like I do. I would keep that when I'm gardening. If you have mosquito repellent, so then that would be a yard themed one. And if you wanted to, you can put an image back here of a garden and then just have these things on top. And but the shapes are very nice and versatile to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe if you found this useful.